This is a review of the Noctua Chromax 4-pin Y cables, splitter cables that I got. It comes in a pack of 3. Now, I've used this to split cables and I have no issues so far. And as you see right here, I have a splitter cable. That's what it looks like. So I have the setup where I have a Noctua CPU cooler that came with one fan, one quiet fan. But I need another one, which is the one on the left right here. But I didn't have enough space or enough ports to plug in the fans, the 4 pins, so I got a splitter for this setup and it's worked fine, no issues. And because it's split into one plug, if you do controls on your BIOS or whatever, it runs the same speed on both fans and it both curves the same speed. So no issues. These plugs are very convenient in terms of management. They are very stiff though, so keep that in mind when you're using them. And I have another set of the connectors right there, the splitter, which I use for my case fans. No issues running this setup and it's held up well. And it makes it a lot easier to control too if I have the same set of fans that I want to control at the same temp or same idle speed or whatever. It makes it much more easier to use.